The first universal step to equity is creating a sense of belonging. Unfortunately, we try to start with race and culture, the things that make us different. That's not the best universal way to create equity. Equity starts with creating that sense of belonging. And once you belong, then our differences, where we're from, value systems, that's the secret sauce, that's the salsa, that's the salt and pepper, that's the seasoning, that's the thing that gives our relationship flavor. It has its place, but not in the beginning. Equity starts with a sense of belonging. If I were there on your campus, I'd be looking around for that first. What do you do intentionally? Is there a moment where you feel like you belong, like you're one of us? And then students have to feel the same way. That's where universal equity starts, and then we drill down into practice.